everyone, welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So friends, today we have two openings to discuss in this video, one from IBM, another from Cognizant. It's completely for the freshers. We are bringing for the freshers usually. So we'll discuss every details regarding that in very detailed format. I'll explain you regarding all these details. So before that, if you're very new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and activating the bell icon as well to get the notifications at the right time. Okay. So let me start with the opening from Cognizant as a programmer analyst training. So it's been some time that this have been established, just been a couple of days. So programmer analyst trainee to the location Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Okay, so you can see the qualification: engineering graduates, science engineering graduates, or the mean, if you are a graduate in some science field, then you can apply, or you must be an engineering graduate. That's why you can see here they have mentioned it. So responsibilities, you can see they have mentioned a couple of responsibilities, which is very important. So if you are ready to go through those responsibilities, then you can definitely apply to this. Okay, so here first thing is requirement analysis, then all the points comes under that, then participation in calls, status is reporting, then must have skills will be Blue Prism, .NET 3.0. So if you have an idea on all these things, then you can apply. Good to have UiPath. Okay, so good to have is not mandatory, but still it's very good to have that. That's what they mean. So generally, to this programmer analyst trainee position, what all things you'll be doing, okay, that is mentioned over here in this responsibility section, and it is very important that you should go through that, because in the selection process they will make sure that you are okay to take this responsibility. So if you could answer, if all of your answers could reflect with these points, then that will help you. Okay, so understanding the functional aspects of the client's requirement, efficient task execution, raise clarifications, issues, concerns regarding work output to lead on time, adherence to schedule, timeliness, maintain effective working relationship, interpersonal with team members and supervisors, adhere to organization policies and procedures, participate in project and organization initiatives led by the delivery leadership, ensure appropriate clarification and prioritization of tasks, comply with defined process during task execution, provide periodic task level updates as required. Next is documentation, assisting in creating documentation, creating application, SLA, KPI reports, performance, etc. So in general, programmer analyst as in designation, you will be doing a support kind of job, in the sense analyst. Okay, that means supporting the documents, working with them, all these kind of things. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Very minimal criteria. So if you're interested in this, you can definitely apply. You can take the link from the description and apply. Okay, so you can click onto this apply button and you need to log into Cognizant Careers. If you're very new, then you can start a fresh new profile, else you can use your own existing profile. Okay, so this is it. You need to upload your resume, then personal information, all the details we can apply. So here, if you don't have the experience, you have a column to put it 0, you can put it skills and all you can give, and next. Okay, so this is how you fill your informations for applying for this particular opening. So I hope it's clear to you. Now I'm moving on to the other job, which is available from IBM. So IBM is hiring associate systems engineer. Most of you would have applied to this recently, but still, if there is someone who much more interested to apply, then you can apply, because the links are open. They are opening these links every then and there. So in case if you miss, don't worry, it's again live. Okay, so you can see the details regarding this opening is provided here as required technical and professional expertise, that is environment, that is professional knowledge related to your KRAs that requires you to demonstrate the ability to absorb professional knowledge quickly. Then communication or negotiation, then problem solving is another quality that they want. Okay, now the preferred technical and professional expertise will be contribution or leadership, impact on business or scope. Okay, so these are the qualities, okay, professional qualities as well as the personal qualities they want you to have, so that you can apply to this job. Okay, now coming to the qualification criteria, this is applicable for BTech, BE, MCA, MTech and ME graduates in specialized branches. Okay, so you can see the branches all the branches they have mentioned. It is computer science and circular branches in general, all the branches mentioned over here. So in case if you belong to these branches, then if you are interested by going through the job responsibility and all, you can definitely apply. This is indeed a very good opportunity. Associate systems engineer in IBM just gets around 4.5, 4.4, greater than that. Okay, so it's an average estimation, so you can get greater than that. Completely depend upon the company policy and the domain team and everything. Okay, so this is the basic details regarding the opening available as an associate systems engineer in IBM. So I hope it's clear. And they haven't mentioned about the batch criteria. That is only it's only applicable for this batch alone. Nothing like that. So the recent trending batches you can apply, like 2019, 20, 21, and 22 people can apply. Okay. So this is about IBM. Now to apply for that, you can click on to this apply now button and we can proceed with the application process. So as usual, you need to make in a login to IBM Careers. If you don't have an application, you can start a fresh new one. Okay. So this is it. Once you apply, just make sure your resume is having ample information with respect to the job. Okay. Because your application, all the applications, because we used to get a lot of comments like my application is not getting accepted and all that. Don't worry, it will be getting accepted sometime. Most of the time there will be a lot of applicants, so maybe that can go wrong, but it is not going to happen every time, right? And also we will be making some minute mistakes, like we will not be sticking to the job description, we will not be sticking to the job responsibility or eligibility criteria. That also can cause. Okay, so only one thing that we can be sure is we will make things right from our part. We'll make it good from our part, and rest can happen by itself. Okay, so now you can click on to this apply button, and yeah, this is the login page. You need to log in. After that, submit it. You need to upload your resume, your personal information, then your education details. If you have any work experience, that you can give, and that's how you apply to this role. Okay, so I hope this details is also pretty much clear. Everyone, take your employment, take your career needs, take your future in a very planned manner. You should have a conscious thought or conscious steps, next step about your future. Okay, that's very important. Just it's not like you randomly apply to any of the job and just attend it carelessly. It's not like that. You can apply to as much as possible, and also take every application serious and prepare yourself and go for the selection process. Okay, don't take any of the things for granted. That will never help you. You are missing a lot of opportunities. Once a few opportunity have passed, then that is not going to come again. Okay, so it's very important that you should start. In case if you prepared and you failed, it's completely okay. There will be some small minute mistakes, or you might not be grown to the expectation of that opportunity, so it will show you that, so that you can learn from your mistake and you can start over. Okay, so that's important. Rather than giving up, you may feel bad, that's completely okay. You can try over a day, but should come back with extra preparation. Okay, so I hope all the details are clear. In case if you have any doubts or any requirement regarding the placement, we can help you as much as we can. We will do that for you as well. You can put the details in the comment section, or you can, in this itself, you can see the phone number is there, mail ID is there. So it is better to go for the mail ID, because phone will be much more busy, right? So you can drop us a mail, then we will help you to what is your need. We can definitely help you with it. Okay, so comment section is there, mail is there, any way you can reach out to us. Okay, so I hope all the details are clear. So until I be back again with another video, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study For You.